Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share Excel cannot open the file because the file format or extension is not valid. Some of the reason, if you open some documents you may get this result. So Excel, you cannot open the file in Excel, so it will show some file is corrupted, is not, extension is not valid, like that. So how to solve this problem? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my laptop I have the similar kind of files will be there. If I open the file, it will show the Excel cannot open the file. The file name is there, the file format extension is not valid, verify that the file has been corrupted, that on that file extension matches not format. So how to solve this problem? It is an easy way. So just give OK in that. So you cannot open the file because the file is hidden, the file is corrupted, something is given to that because of your download is not valid. So you want to open the file. So how to open the file in this error document? So while I double click on that, it won't open again. So just click OK and close this Excel and use right click on the Excel and just go to more option. So while you are using Windows 11 means there will be a more option, or Windows 10 means there will be a properties. So similarly you will get a properties option. Just click the properties option. Once you go to properties, you have to find out whether this file, that is your Excel file, will be in a Excel format or different kind of format. For example, if you click here, it should be in Excel format. If it is not Excel format, choose as a Excel format, otherwise you don't have the software, I think so. So now you have to change your security. So what you have to do here, so in general you will get option called open with Excel format should be there. If you have the software means it should be in Excel format. If it is in a Word or any other software, please change this one as a Excel. Just click OK. So just go to security, you will get option called, there will be a permission, allow and deny option. So just go to advanced. Once you go to the advanced option, there will be a groups will be available. If you don't have any group, just add the group. If you have all the groups means, please select the group and remove the group. Just click add group. Once you click add group, there will be a select principal. Once you select the principal option, there will be a different kind of box will be open here. Just click here to advanced. Once you click here to advanced, just choose find now. Once you click the find now option, just scroll down, you will get option called everyone. So that is everyone can access the file. Just choose everyone and click OK. So once you click OK, the everyone will be open here. Just click OK. The simple and easy trick, and just give the basic permission, full control, and click OK. Once you give full control of everyone means, just click apply and OK. So once you click apply and OK, there will be a properties will be open here. Just click apply and OK. So there will be everyone, that is once you go to your properties, you will get option called everyone, that is security everyone. There will be a full access control will be there. So once you click OK means, just open the file should be open without any other errors. This is what I need. For example, you have the control but you cannot able to open the file. Just go to the properties and the security option, there will be a administrator or username, everything will be there. So you have to remove the file. Just go to advanced option, just select here to remove and add one more and check it out. Your file 100% it will be open. For example, if you have found any other errors in your Excel, it will be open. It will be without corrupting, it will be display all kind of datas. Yes, I hope this video will help you to open your corrupted Excel files. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.